energetic E. Come dance with me. I'll start words like elephant, egg, and tree. I'm everywhere, just look and see, bringing fun and joy as bright as can be. The E is for elephant, big and strong, stomping its feet as it walks along. Ears so wide, a trunk so long, swinging and singing a happy song. The E is for egg, so smooth and round, cracked it open, what's inside is found. Breakfast time, so warm and bright, eating eggs gives me strength and might. E's for explore, adventure calls, let's sail the seas and climb big walls. From earth to the stars so high, let's spread our wings and learn to fly. This for ice cream, cream delight, a tasty treat in color so bright. Chocolate with vanilla, strawberry too. What's your favorite? Red, pink, or blue? Is for exercise, run and play, jump, skip, and move all day. Stretch your arms and touch your toes, wiggle, giggle, go, go, go! E is for echo, loud and clear, shout my name and hear it near. Oh, what fun!